Alright, you guys. Today's video is from a canal in Cape Coral, actually, and another video shot from my iPhone. A lot of sharks today. That was kind of the theme for today. Were a bunch of blacktip sharks. So some cool footage from that.
Supposed to be like a fat catfish.
Dude, a small catfish. Dude, that's essential here.
Today I'm joined by a couple of my buddies, Kyle and Daryl, and it was really cool to see the various things in this backwater canal area.
Oh. What? Is it?
It's a sharkeisha.
Oh, dude, one of many. One of many in here. Man, that's a baby.
We were using frozen bait, frozen ladyfish, frozen finger mullet, so we were expecting to get a lot of, those kind of fish.
Probably just been a shark. I'm not thirsty for shit. I'm way over your line.
Yeah, I will. I'm real, man. You're good. Yeah. Oh.
Not having the GoPro today made it a little tricky. I had to multitask sometimes with recording, but then also if my line was in the way or if I had to be the net guy or whatever. So definitely had to multitask, and not always the best footage.
Oh my gosh.
Big catfish.
Holy crap.
I was like, yeah, that definitely isn't.
Holy
I'm gonna break my rod on a catfish. I'm gonna grab that net. Normally I'd flip it, but my luck.
Nothing's a monster, bro.
Yeah, that's a real big one.
Your college dinner, buddy.
Dude, I don't know if it's all too big to put up now.
Holy cow.
The way the tide was going, it was like basically every couple minutes or so we were getting a bite.
Yeah, for sure.
What is it?
Oh my god. Oh, I know.
And the bites were consistently either juvenile sharks or gigantic catfish.
Yeah, I'm getting a net spot. No? Oh, okay. That one's in. There you go. There you go, bro. Oh, nope. No. Maybe a monster. Catfish. Is it big? I got you. Give me a puppy. Oh, that's a big one.
Hey, puppet. Here's some more food for you, puppet.
Stop. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. I'm gonna have to give up your videotaping skills. Here you go. There you go.
The spot did produce some pretty good-sized catfish, so we used as bait. We never did get any actual catches off of it. Sharks tend to like catfish. We were surprised that we weren't getting any bites from it. Something that was an interesting wrinkle, there were some storms coming from the south that were heading up our way, so we had to keep an eye on that while we were fishing.
It might not be a snake,
No?
I don't know. I need that net.
Oh.
I honestly don't know. I think it's a shark.
It's a shark.
Looks like a little shark.
That's a shark.
Yep, it's a shark.
Oh, and you didn't lose your bait either.
I don't know what. I think it's a side hook. It's fighting pretty hard.
Nice, dude.
Up.
There. Nice. Where do you pliers at?
In your car. In your truck.
Oh, they got some pretty cool coloration on them. Little stripes and stuff.
This area was definitely a little estuary for sharks to grow and develop and get big.
And then that air out.
Oh, yeah, it's big.
Uh-oh.
I'm scared too.
Make a guest appearance right here.
Yep. Yeah. Decent.
He's been through it.
He looks like he's seeing some better days. Ah, I got you.
Thank you. This guy wants to have my rod. Thanks, bro.
Yes, sir.
That's all you did. Barehanded for the gram.
Bare hand for the gram. It's on the pliers, so.
It's, you just gotta mount him like a horse.
I'm sorry I'd help you, but my rod's definitely getting through. I have to jump over top of you. So I can't jump.
Oh, good hook. Help him out there.
You got it, you got it.
Go and grab him there. There you go. I was like, hey, grab him in the tail. That's the biggest one we're at.
Yes, sir. Let's go a little lettuce one. See, bro.
No shark. Oh, damn.
Mm-hmm.
Get it. Oh, yeah. Take this.
Yep. Oh. Oh, perfect. Yeah, he came off. You got the bait still.
Holy shit.
There you go, dude. Easy release. You can be that guy. The camera guy. There you go.
That's a nice shark. God damn.
Yeah, still.
That sucker was ripping,
Yeah,
boy.
I think it was going crazy.
It's coming away.
I was hoping that was a snook. I was waiting for it to air out. I was like, yeah, you guys take this one.
It was a nice easy release on that last one.
Hopefully the same on this.
That's right.
Both of my rods got smoked, bro. Oh, it was a shark.
There it goes. There it goes.
That was a shark.
This was a nice-sized alligator that was cruising along the canal there. Daryl had said that he hadn't seen this guy in a couple of years, so that was cool to be able to see him even though it was from afar. I'm glad we weren't in the water at the time, although somebody did go out on a john boat nearby there afterwards, and I thought about that the whole time. One of the hard parts with shark fishing is your line getting broken off. And that's what happened here to Kyle on this one. He was fighting it kind of weird, and then it just kind of ripped the line. So we didn't really use a whole lot of leader and stuff like metal leader. We were using just heavy mono. I'm surprised we didn't lose more sharks, to be honest. This was that storm that I mentioned earlier. It was starting to really get close to us, and so we actually went inside the car for a little bit. This, believe it or not, this one actually did not hit us. It got close but never made it. However, another storm coming from the east nailed us, since that's what ended up ending our day. Next video shows the next storm's line of rain coming at us, which is what drove us away. So that's gonna be all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.